How to fix can't change my username on RedNote application on iPhone and Android. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the can't change my ID or username on RedNote application on iPhone and Android error. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open the RedNote application, and once you open that, you will be redirected to your home page. So what you got to do is that you got to click on this me icon over here. That is your profile icon. So just click on this icon and you will be redirected to your profile. So what you got to do is that when you come over here on edit profile, when you click on that and when you click on your ID, it would say some errors such as can't change username. So it happens because you might have changed your username earlier, but if you have not changed your username earlier and the issue is still there, so just follow these steps in order to get rid of that. So what you got to do is come back to your profile and you got to click on this gear icon over here. That is your settings icon. So just click on this gear icon and you will be redirected to your settings. So here at the top, you'll be able to see an option that says account security. Now I'm here in account security, and if you have bound your mobile number, it will be written over here your mobile number, but you have not bound it, it would be written unbound, just like these. So if you wish to get rid of that issue, what you got to do is just click over here if it's written unbound, and then type down, select your country code, type down your phone number and hit enter, and then you will receive a verification code on either your SIM or your WhatsApp, and then just type down that verification code, and after verifying that, you can go back and change your username. However, if the issue is still there, you can try binding to any of these such as WeChat, Weibo, QQ or Apple, and after that, when you come back to your profile and click on your edit profile, and after that, when you try to change your username, the issue would be resolved. So that was how you can fix can't change my username error on RedNote application on iPhone and Android. So if you found the story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.